Where are my people who love making excuses? Where are you at? You literally have no excuse. Right now, YouTube is on easy mode and it actually helping people to be financially stable. Literally walking my kiddo. You have no excuse. I'm gonna put my hand in my pocket because I live a chilly outside, all right? Hi, Baba. We are building a community here. Literally, I am building, you are building, we are building a community here. A community of like-minded people, people who want to support each other and see each other grow. We're not trying to pull down each other, we're trying to push up each other, okay? And the only way we can do that is that we stick together. Comment to YouTube channel so we can go follow. Guys, let me introduce myself. For those of you not familiar with me, hi, my name is Queen. People call me Queenie. You can call me Queenie, all right? And what am I? I'm a full-time student, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a mom and a wife, okay? I love social media and I love making money on social media, whether it be digital marketing, affiliate marketing, just being able to YouTube, any way I can make income, I'm gonna do it, okay? And I'm gonna help you receive that bag as well. So for those of you on right now, yes, all right, YouTube is in easy mode right now. Hi, Bubba. Let me make sure your hat is properly on so you're not cold, all right? YouTube is on easy mode right now, and it's not because they're pushing out any and anybody. You really have to be consistent on YouTube and you have to be trying to build a community. Because if you try to push out videos and not build a community, who gonna support you, honey? Sir, who gonna support you? Is your community you build going to support you? I literally went on live and we had some people came on and I was like, oh my goodness, support, support, support. And that's what it is about. My goal this year is to support any small YouTubers up and coming. I'm gonna try my best to watch any small YouTuber's video. Today, I made a promise to myself. I went ahead and I watched someone who have 1,000 followers and 1,000 subscribers, and their video was in a different language. I didn't care. I watch it and I comment and say, hey, this was my goal for today, and I watch a video, and that person was like, oh my goodness, thank you so much. The fact that I can help someone else, my goodness, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. We're going to be helping each other right now, today, starting from today. All right. So what you're going to do? I actually saw another YouTuber talk about this. I can't remember her name, but she had blonde hair. If you know who I talk about, you know who I talk about. And she's awesome, by the way. And I've done this in the past, but I haven't done it recently because I have not been on YouTube. So I now started back posting on YouTube. So what you can do, if you want to gain that 1,000 followers, do these two things and you'll be able to gain that 1,000 followers faster than you think. Now, first to begin with is shorts. I have grown so many accounts from shorts, right? Not just any type of shorts. You're not going to steal somebody's shorts. You're not going to steal anyone's shorts. You're going to create your shorts, because when you create your shorts, it's going to teach you a valuable lesson and you're going to learn a skill as well doing so, okay? So the first thing you're going to do, one thing that really does well is like psychological facts and stuff like that. Doing like these testings to keep people staying on for longer. So when you're creating your shorts, those kind of shorts is going to be between 5 to 7 seconds long. But the information, they will have to stay on to read it longer period of time. So it will be re-looping, okay? So that way it will show the algorithm that, hey, these people actually watching these shorts, so they're going to push it out even more. And you're going to gain a lot of subscribers from that, okay? Another way is if you really want to document your journey and share shorts, just play with different shorts and see how it works for you, right? The other way that you can do right now is if you have a following on social media. For me, I do have a following on TikTok. I actually have 2 TikTok accounts because I do reviews for TikTok. And I also did affiliate marketing. I teach people how to make money online. And I just kind of switch it up a little bit and I just strictly do reviews of TikTok shop. But I do have a following on there, right? So what I am going to do today is I'm going to make a post on my social media platform on both of them and letting people know, hey, YouTube is on easy mode right now. So if you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, now is your chance to start a YouTube channel because YouTube pushing out small creators. Here's what you're going to do. This is my name on YouTube, put it across the screen. And if you want me to follow you, guys, just drop your name down there. Hold on. There's a truck. Okay. So just say, hey, we're going to be supporting each other. And the only way we're going to grow on YouTube is if we support each other, guys. So what I want you to do is drop your YouTube name down there. I will go follow you. And everyone who's seen this video, if you really want to go on YouTube, drop your name down there so you can follow people and they can follow you back and we can get this community going, okay? Go ahead and subscribe to me. That way I can literally see it and I could just subscribe to you one time. So go ahead and subscribe to me. I will do it back and I will go ahead and I will watch your videos and we will build that community, okay? But right now, YouTube is pushing out the small creators. So now is the best time. It's the best time ever to start your YouTube channel right now, okay? And you just make that post out and see if people comment, they interact, because I know there's a lot of people out there who start their YouTube channel, who thinking about doing it, who maybe want to do it. So just make one post. You can make one post a week if you want. It's up to you. It's your social media. You can do whatever you want. So it's really up to you on what you want to do. But that is one thing I am going to do. And I'm going to be posting that on my 2 social medias account. And hopefully I can gain some interaction there and I will be able to build that community of like-minded people. So you can do the same, right? That is another way how you are going to build your following on YouTube, is by doing cross posts, right? So go ahead and do that for me and let me know how that goes. Also, guys, on this video itself, comment your YouTube channel. Let me know your YouTube channel so I could go and follow you on my spare time when I'm watching TV. I normally just go and watch people's video, at least leave it let it run, like it, comment on it as well. So that way, especially if you have a long video, I'm gonna just leave it let it run. Look at it, certain parts, comment, you know, comment, and I will continue to do that. That is some ways that you could grow your following right now on YouTube and get this bag, okay? Because I don't want to be the only one getting this bag. I want you to pick up this bag as well. And for those of you on right now, you guys know, if you watch my other videos, you guys know I do you know I'm affiliate for TikTok, and also I do reviews for Amazon as well. And I literally created a course because of all the information I have so that people could start Amazon. And of course I did, at the point in time I did sell it, but I am not selling it. I really want to provide it and I want to give you it. If you're serious about making money online, different streams of income, just like myself, and I know you buy from Amazon and you have things in your home, you can actually start reviewing those products on your spare time. Spare time, 30 minutes a day, just push out the content. Every day, push 30 minutes a day, start reviewing products, push it out on Amazon after you get accepted into the program, of course. If you want to try that, I'm going to go ahead, just comment down below. Comment down below, let me know. And that way I can put together the actual course and I could compile it for you guys and I can give it for you for free. But you have to be serious about it. I really just want to help. This is my community and I want each and every one of you in 2025 to make an income from the comfort of your home. Because I know everyone have a 9-to-5, a lot of people have a 9-to-5, and yes, while you're still working there, it will be nice to make a little extra income that can pay an additional bill, okay? Without you doing too much, right? I'm not asking for too much, guys. All I'm asking for you is for you to start your YouTube journey, for you to start posting on social media, cross post to grow your channel as well. I was able to gain couple followers. Well, I was able to lose some followers on this account because I started talking about different things, and that's okay. And I was able to gain some followers on this account because I realized my purpose is just to help build a community. Let we all make it in 2025, okay? For those of you who have no idea, I literally start school tomorrow. I start back school tomorrow, so this is going to be a challenge for me as in creating content. But even though it's challenging and I feel like I don't have enough time, things like these, like a walk with my kiddo right here, because I'm rocking him right here, right? I'm walking with him. I'm able to actually create this content for you guys. Come on. Social media has never been this easy. Listen, the first time I created a video on YouTube, it took me 5 to 6 hours to edit it. I would have never thought of posting a video like this. Like this. I can walk my kiddo right now. And make a video for you guys to let you know what to do, so how to grow on YouTube and how you can collect, how you can change your life in 2025. It's all about your mindset. Let me let you in. No, not a lot of people talk about this, and I will be sharing a lot more of this on my channel because I am big on mindset. And because of my mindset, I have gotten where I'm at today. Because of my mindset, I am able to be alive today. Because of my mindset, that's one of the reasons why I'm doing social media. And I truly believe in myself, and I believe in you guys. You guys can do it. Just as is important as doing all these things to grow on YouTube, it is exactly or maybe even more important, to do the things they mind so you can align yourself. All right. A lot of people don't talk about it just because not everybody in the field that I am in, right? And so let me tell you how crazy mindset works. Your mind, these things, the unconscious mind is so powerful. The things, oh my goodness, listen. When I tell you, even now, as I am working on myself, I worked on myself, I've developed so many different skills when it comes to the mental aspect. I still struggle up to this day with it. And imagine for someone who actually does it and still struggle with it. I can't imagine what someone is going through who never really do the work when it comes to the mental aspect of it. So I am here to help you along the journey. So if you have any questions about like mental aspect of being successful on social media and any questions you have related to it, I want to be able to answer it because I realize no one is really talking about it and providing the information to help you, like the step by step to help you to align yourself. The number one thing I will talk about today is mindfulness, because that is one thing that really helps me to be better at doing whatever it is I'm doing, being mindful. What do you mean by mindfulness? Okay, you know, sometimes when our mind stray, like a thought pass and we kind of lock in on that thought, like, I'm never going to be successful. Oh my goodness, this YouTube is hard. I'm seeing so many people doing this and I don't think, I posted one video and it didn't work out, so I don't think this is for me. And then you keep fixating on that. That is on a replay on your in your head. And then you stop posting. And then you just start to struggle. And that's a lot of us. A lot of us has been there. So my take is focus, come out for a mindful walk. When those thoughts start happening, you come out for a mindful walk. You see the mountains up there? You can see the mountains. Fixate on the mountains. Feel like, become one with it. I know it's weird, but like, become one with it. Like, feel it. And when those negative thoughts pass, it's okay. Allow them to pass. But when it passes, I want you to redirect your thoughts on that mountain or whatever it is you decide to fixate your thought on, okay? So that's like one like small example of being mindful. So when the thoughts start coming in and I'm like, excuse you, that is not it. The devil is a liar. For me, I'll be like, the devil is a liar. Not today, Satan. Because I know the God I serve is almighty and powerful. And anything is possible as long as I trust him. So every time those negative thoughts come in, I'm like, the devil is a liar. Get behind me, Satan. For me, it's all about aligning myself. Because I know the God I serve is powerful. I know the things that he have done for me before. So when these thoughts are trickling in and trying to play with my mental, because sometimes it could be bad. Some days it could be worse than others. I just have to remind myself of the things I have done in the past and the work I have done. And if you have one phrase or word that you could use that to remind yourself of what you're working towards, then you can wash out those thoughts with that one phrase. So hopefully that was able to help. I mean, there's so much more like going into depth with it. As much as you're preparing yourself physically, I need you to prepare yourself mentally as well. So the mental aspect of social media is so huge. The day when I wake up and I make no sales, I'm like, okay, I can see I gained some sales today. Lord, I am getting some sales today. And even if I don't get no sales, I say, okay, tomorrow is the next day. I'm going to do this. But not just saying it, but also putting in the work as well. Okay? So, yes, I want you to take from this video, yes, doing the physical, all the promotions and making the videos, that is really important. But if you're not mentally prepared for what to come, then you're going to fail, literally. And I am not going to sugarcoat it. If you're not mentally prepared, you're going to fail. I am telling you, this social media life is not something easy because there are going to be weeks where you don't see the results you want to. And if you're trying to go off of motivation, then that motivation would not be there, and you're gonna fall back. So focus on your mental health. trying to be positive, focus on mindfulness, be determined, and don't rely on motivation, because most of the time I don't have any motivation. I'm just determined. And if you have the best why, I know this a lot, but if you understand why you're doing it, if your why is strong enough, it's going to push through every other thing. So if you don't have a strong why you want to do social media, why you want to do YouTube, then when the hard days come, it's going to be easy to just flicker through, fall through the cracks. All right. So remember to establish your why. I know I have a strong enough why. So on the days where I feel like doing it, when I look at my son, there is no other way. There is no other way. And I just push through that feeling and I continue to do that. And as I continue to do that, my mental muscles has gotten so much stronger. Okay. Just my physical muscles, not so strong because I still need to work out every day. I still need to work on it. But mentally, my muscles mentally have gotten so much stronger each and every time I push through a negative thought, push through a negative thought, and I continue to do that, man, strong. Okay. So for those of you on right now, thank you so much for listening. Remember, go ahead and drop your YouTube channel down below so we can support, guys. We can support each other, okay? And I will see you on my next video.